After the topic Culture and Cuisines of Kolkata, let us study about a very famous personality of Kolkata, about Rabindranath Tagore. Kids, Rabindranath Tagore, hailing from West Bengal, is one of the most eminent personalities the history of India will ever witness. Yes, kids, Rabindranath Tagore was very famous and respected personality. Rabindranath Tagore wrote the national anthem for two countries, Jana Gana Man for India and Amar Shonar Bangla for Bangladesh. His Gitanjali won him the Nobel Prize for Literature. Some of his works include Gora, Chandalika, and Rabindra Sangeet, which are songs written and composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Now, kids, let us learn about the famous places of Kolkata. So, I'll take you to the tour to Kolkata. Now, we will study about Victoria Memorial. See, this is Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble building in Kolkata. See, this Victoria Memorial is built up of marble. So it's a large marble building in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, which was built between 1906 to 1921. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria, who was Empress of India at that time. So, this was built to dedicate to Queen Victoria. It is now a museum and a major tourist destination of Kolkata. Havra Bridge or Rabindra Setu. Havra Bridge. Havra Bridge is a bridge built over the Hooghly River and is considered to be a marvelous engineering work by the British. See, kids, this is Havra Bridge. And you know, kids, this bridge resembles Kolkata. On 14th June 1965, it was renamed. And what was the name? Rabindra Setu. On June 14, in 1965, it was renamed and known as Rabindra Setu after the great Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore, who was the first Indian and Asian Nobel laureate. It is still popularly known as Havra Bridge. Fort William. Fort William is a fort that was built during the early years of the Bengal Presidency of British India. The fort was named after King William III. Fort William is located on the eastern bank of the river Hooghly, and it is also a major tourist attraction of Kolkata. Kids, besides this, Kali Ghat Kali temple is also famous here. Kalighat Kali temple is dedicated to the goddess Kali, who is an important place of worship. I am repeating, Kalighat Kali temple is dedicated to the goddess Kali, is an important place of worship. See kids, this is Kalighat Kali temple, and this idol is placed in this temple of goddess Kali. Indian Museum. See kids, this is Indian Museum. The history of the origin and the growth of Indian Museum is one of the remarkable events towards the development of heritage and culture of India. And do you know kids, Indian Museum is the oldest and the largest museum in India. National Library. Kids, it is the biggest library in India and the Library of Official Public Records has over 2.2 million books in its old collection. Other tourist attractions include the MP Birla Planetarium. The MP Birla Planetarium in Kolkata, West Bengal, India is an iconic structure whose architecture is based on the famous Buddhist stupa at Sanchi. See this. This structure is based on stupa at Sanchi. This structure just resembles the stupa of Sanchi and is situated at 96 Jawaharlal Nehru Road adjacent to St. Paul's Cathedral Church near Victoria Memorial. And kids, it is a landmark in the city of Kolkata. The planetarium opened its door on 29th September 1962 and was formally inaugurated on 2nd July 1963 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was Prime Minister of India at that time. Now, the Science City of Kolkata. The Science City of Kolkata is the largest science city center in the Indian subcontinent. It is managed by National Council of Science Museums, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. It is located at the crossing of Eastern Metropolitan Bypass. See kids, this is entrance of Science City. When you will enter, you will find this. And this is the inside picture. A full grown butterfly with eggs in controlled environment at Science City, Kolkata. The Science on a Spare show at Dynamotion Hall. Next is Alipur Zoo. The Zoological Garden, Alipur, also informally called the Alipur Zoo or Calcutta Zoo, is India's oldest formally stated zoological park and a big tourist attraction in Kolkata, West Bengal. It has been open as a zoo since 1876. It is probably best known as the home of the Aldabra giant tortoise Adwaita. See, this is Aldabra giant tortoise. Or you can say this was, because this tortoise is no more, who was reputed to have been over 250 years old when he died in 2006. This tortoise is believed to be lived for 250 years. One of the most popular tourist attractions in Kolkata, it draws huge crowds during the winter season, especially during December and January.